Hello students, welcome back with a new lecture of class 7 chapter 1. We are in the topic integer exercise 1.2. We are in question number 1. Let me first read out the question. Write down a pair of integers whose a sum is -7, b difference is -10 and C sum is 0. What they are asking us to do? They are telling us that we have to write down pair of integers, that is two integers whose sum, if we add them, sum means addition, if we add them the result will be -7. Again, next to integer, that is pair of integers whose difference, that means we will take two integers and subtract them and its answer is -10. We have to find out that pair of integers, that two numbers whose difference is -10. And the third question is we have to write down a pair of integers, that is two integers whose sum, that is if we add this that two numbers the resulting answer must be 0. Only that numbers will be we have to find. So let us start first portion, that is a pair of integers whose sum is -7. Now we have to think of two numbers whose addition will give me -7. So can you tell me which will be that two number whose addition will give me -7? One will be -2 and -5. Now look at the numbers. If I am adding -5 and -2, will I get -7? Yes, of course. So I can say that a pair of integers whose sum is -7 can be -5 and -2. Students, not only these two integers, it can be any other pair. For example, if I write -4 and then add -3, so -3 and -4, will I get -7? Of course. So it is not necessary you write -5 and -2. You can think of yourself also the numbers which will give -7. Let us move to next question. Let me first write down. Students, the question is before you. A pair of integers whose difference is -10. Now what they are asking us? We have to find difference, that is subtraction of two integers whose result will be -10. So can you give me two numbers whose difference will give me -10? I am giving you one such number, that is -12, and then subtracting -2. Will it get me -10? Let us see. -2 subtraction is the same thing adding the additive inverse of the next number. So what is additive inverse of 2? +2, and adding +2 to -2, I will get -10. So you get the answer. So I will write a pair of integers whose difference is -10 can be -12 and -2. 2. Students, it can be other two numbers also. Let me give you one more example of whose result is minus 10. That is minus 14 if I am writing over here, and I am writing minus 4. Then again I will get minus 10. You must try with that number minus 14 and subtract it from minus 4. You will get the same answer, minus 10. Try it yourself at home. Now number 3. Let me write. So students, now the third part, that is the C part. A pair of integers whose sum is 0. We have to find out pair of integers whose sum, that is addition, will give us the answer as 0. Now you are able to answer it very well. What will be the answer? One will be negative and one will be positive. Addition of both will give me 0. So I will write any number 5 and then add 5 to minus 5. I will get 0. Wasn't it easy, students? So our number can be, it can be 5 and minus 5. Hope students you have understood this question number 1 of exercise 1.2. If you do not understood, please go through this video lecture 2 to 3 times so that you can understand it properly. We will meet with the new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye.